Let's take a look at an example from section 4.2. This is an example where we're looking at the mean value theorem and determining, first of all, if the mean value theorem applies, and if so, what point or points are the ones guaranteed by that theorem. So we're given this function, 7 minus x squared. The interval is -1 to 2. And first we're asked to determine whether the mean value theorem applies. So these are the things that we're looking for. Is the interval closed? Yes, it is. We see that it includes its endpoints. Is the function continuous on that closed interval? Yes, there's no issue here that would cause a discontinuity. We have a polynomial, in fact, and polynomials are continuous everywhere. Likewise, polynomials are going to be differentiable everywhere, so this is differentiable on the interior of that interval. So those are the things that we had to look for. You know, examples where the mean value theorem might break down are problems where you might have a corner or a cusp, like an absolute value function. Let's take a look at part B here. Here's where they're asking us to find the points where the average rate of change for the interval equals the instantaneous rate of change at that point. That's what the mean value theorem guarantees there to be at least one point where that occurs. So if we look at the average rate of change for this function on this interval, we determine that it's -1. Now, in this diagram here, that would be represented by the slope of that secant line between those two endpoints. Okay, that's the average rate of change for the interval. What the mean value theorem says is there's got to be a place where the instantaneous rate of change matches that average rate of change. So we take the derivative, set that equal to the average rate of change that we found, solve for x, and we get 1/2. And so that's what I have here in red is the tangent line through the function at 1/2 will have the same slope as the secant line that we found here. Okay. Now, in some examples, that might occur at more than one place. Okay, in this example, there's one place where that happens, and it's 1/2. I hope you found that helpful in understanding the mean value theorem. See you in the next video.